Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews Moose. I got another unboxing here today to do. It is from Swisher Apparel. My boy Anox just did a review on his. Mine finally came in the mail. And again, Todd Swisher at Swisher Apparel, top-notch guy. I can already tell this is going to be fire just because of the tape job alone. I use my teeth and hands, and this is going to be a task to get this this tape out here. I mean, he's got tape everywhere. And we got tape along the side, tape in the middle, tape on the side, tape on the side. So I'm literally going to have, there's going to be a couple pieces of tape I'm going to have to chew through here. Yeah, that ain't going to work. Let's see that. No, that ain't going to work either. Holy cow. I might need to use a piece of apparatus to get this out. Let's see here. I'm going to have to unpeel it. Well, you know, future notice is that if I were to invest in tape, I'd probably do whatever tape that Swisher Apparel uses, because they're going to go through a lot of it. Yeah, so whatever tape, Todd, if you could let me know what kind of tape you use so I can go ahead and buy stock in that, it'd be greatly appreciated. Wow, holy cow. Well, half the review is going to be untaping this thing. Almost inhaled that one. All right. All right. So finally, we got an open box now. All right. So this is going to be the Blackthorn by Swisher Apparel. Of course, thanks for ordering, Mark. And again, had a great time joining you guys on the round table. Merry Christmas. Todd, thank you. Thank you for making everything personal. Again, that's why you win my business, as well as making high quality caps. But that's just a little bit of what they call cherry on top. But here's the Blackthorn. It's a great looking cap. And I just did my review of my top 15 caps of the year of 2025. This one is going to have to go into next year. Just because I already made that video. And I'm hoping, I hope it would have made the list, but if not, I'll be on next year's list. So let's go ahead and get rid of all the paper. Of course, this is all steamed. Get a little bend here. This is the Swisher Apparel. I did the 60 centimeter. And let's go ahead and show you a close-up. And here's the Blackthorn. And there is Ace sitting in one of the boxes I'm shipping. Hey, Ace, what are you doing, bud? Doing all right, buddy? Yeah, good times. But here's the Blackthorn again. Love the color scheme. We got the dark brown, the dark green. Little bit of like autumn colors here. And the inside. Ace, you've been in that box for like 3 days, dude. I don't know. You really like that one. All the cat toys you got for Christmas, that's one you want to play with. I'm sorry. Here's the Blackthorn. I'm just in disbelief. I got him a bunch of toys for Christmas, and he'd rather play in a free box while he's giving himself a nice little wipe down. Right, Ace? What are you doing, bud? What do you think of the Blackthorn? You like it? Huh? I hope it fits nice. All right, I'll be going to try it on. So now, the moment we have all been waiting for. Ace in the background. He's looking here to see if I like it or not. Here is the Blackthorn, perfectly steamed. I mean, this thing looks like a head was actually in here already. Here it goes. Yep. Well, buddy. Because you can't, and you won't stop. Oh my gosh. By golly gee gracious. This is a doozy. An absolute doozy. This is the Blackthorn. Swisher Apparel, just was released. I got my hands on one. Ace got his hands on another box. Yeah. Another one. Another one bites the dust, as we say. Dun-dun. If you're old enough to remember that song. All right. Let's go ahead and put that back on. Yeah, that's a great looking cap. Todd, thanks again. Amazing cap. Blackthorn, you get it from SwisherApparel.com. Again, this is Reviews Moose here. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one now.